Clogs in air conditioning drain lines are usually caused by a mix of organic growth and trap debris that restricts condensate flow. Condensate drain lines most often accumulate algae and bacterial biofilm that form a slimy layer inside the pipe, so flush the line monthly with warm water and a quarter cup of white vinegar to break down the film. Dust and lint enter from the drain pan and evaporator access points, so keep air filters clean and replace them on the manufacturer recommended schedule to reduce particulate load. Mold spores settle where moisture persists. So inspect the drain pan for standing water and tilt or repair the pan if you notice any pooling to prevent stagnation. Insects and small animal remains can plug traps and elbows, so install a fine mesh screen over the condensate outlet and check under the outdoor unit where critters nest. Mineral scale from hard water will harden inside plastic tubing. Periodically run a descaler or a vinegar soak for 10 minutes and then flush thoroughly to restore flow. For long or hard to access lines, use a wet-dry vacuum on the condensate outlet for 30 seconds to pull blockages toward the drain access and follow with a flush to clear residue. Homeowners commonly overlook regular maintenance, which lets biofilm and dust build until a full blockage forms, so set a quarterly reminder and perform the simple flush and filter change routine. Another frequent issue is assuming a slow drip is normal when it actually signals a partial clog. So act when you see reduced drainage and do a vacuum flush before water backs up and causes damage. People sometimes use bleach in plastic lines, which can degrade fittings and harm seals, so prefer white vinegar for routine cleaning and reserve stronger chemicals for professional handling. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work by listing projects and making it easy to reach people who need help with HVAC maintenance issues like drain line clogs. We also host a discussion community where members share tips, ask questions, and learn practical maintenance steps from others.